Sometimes I can't see myself when I am with you, so I can't stay without you. I'm so crazy about you, and I'm crazy for you. I'm addicted to your love. I don't know why I get love with you. You are the right person for me in this world. You are my universe. I don't want to lose you till my next breath. I want to be along with you till ends of my life. No feeling is greater than loving you. I think you are my soulmate. I could hold you forever. I want to stay with you forever. I love you so much. Your love wakes up me in very single moment. I am alive for you. Shut up or I will kiss you. I cannot stop thinking about you. I want to spend my life forever with you. Addiction is a word becomes more valuable after texting with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay with us till then. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.